Meaning of insulating tape.
Insulating tape.
Insulating tape.
Insulating tape.
Insulating tape. Insulating tape, also known as electrical tape or electrician's tape, is a type of adhesive tape that is used to insulate electrical wires and other materials that conduct electricity. It is made of a thin plastic film, such as PVC or vinyl, coated with a rubber-based adhesive. The tape creates a barrier that prevents the flow of electricity between objects, reducing the risk of electrical shock or short circuits. It is commonly used in electrical work, automotive repair, and other applications where insulation is needed.